vienkārši mašīnā bija dators. Bet skatāmies video.
Tā mašīna ir mana personīga, uzdevināta man.
Kāpēc jums nav apavu?
Tāpēc, ka man mašīnā ir dators.
Nē, tas video. Nu, tagad būs šitais video, skatāmies.
It's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat of the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him, but fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure it's click.